Which animals survive after cancer? Cancer is a devastating disease that affects millions of people and animals every year. Despite the advancements in medical research and treatment, cancer remains one of the leading causes of death in both humans and animals. However, there are some animals that have been observed to survive cancer, either through natural resistance or with the help of modern veterinary medicine. In this video, we will discuss the different animals that have been known to survive cancer, the mechanisms that help them fight the disease, and the potential implications for human cancer research. Elephants are one of the most fascinating animals when it comes to cancer research. Despite being some of the largest animals on Earth, they have a low cancer rate, which is contrary to what one would expect based on their size. In fact, elephants have a much lower cancer rate than humans, even though they have 100 times more cells than humans. The reason for this may be due to the fact that elephants have evolved unique tumor-suppressing mechanisms. For example, elephants have multiple copies of the TP53 gene, which is responsible for suppressing tumor growth. This gene is mutated in about half of all human cancers, but elephants have evolved to have 20 copies of this gene, which increases their ability to suppress tumor growth. Additionally, elephants have an increased ability to repair DNA damage, which is a crucial mechanism for preventing cancer. One study found that elephants have 38 additional genes associated with DNA repair compared to humans. Interestingly, elephants also have a lower rate of developing certain cancers, such as breast cancer, which is one of the most common cancers in women. This may be due to the fact that elephants have fewer mammary glands compared to other mammals, which reduces their overall risk of developing breast cancer. Naked mole rats are fascinating animals that have been observed to have an extremely low cancer rate. Despite living up to 30 years, they have never been observed to develop cancer in the wild or in captivity. One study found that naked mole rats have a unique mechanism for preventing cancer, which involves a specific sugar molecule called hyaluronan. This molecule is found in high levels in naked mole rat tissues and is thought to contribute to their resistance to cancer. Hyaluronan is a molecule that is involved in cell migration, cell signaling, and wound healing. However, in high levels, it can promote cancer growth. In naked mole rats, hyaluronan is modified in a way that prevents it from promoting cancer growth, which is thought to contribute to their resistance to the disease. Additionally, naked mole rats have a unique ability to repair DNA damage, which is another mechanism that helps to prevent cancer. They have a high level of an enzyme called polyandrogen pesadase ribose polymerase, which is involved in DNA repair. Tasmanian devils are a marsupial species that have been heavily impacted by a transmissible cancer called devil facial tumor disease, DFTD. This cancer is spread through biting during mating and fighting and has had a devastating impact on the Tasmanian devil population. However, some Tasmanian devils have been observed to survive the disease. Researchers have identified a group of devils that have a unique genetic makeup that allows them to fight off the cancer. These devils have a specific gene that is associated with the immune system, which helps to recognize and destroy cancer cells. Additionally, some devils have been observed to develop an immune response to the cancer, which helps to prevent the spread of the disease. This immune response involves the production of antibodies against the cancer cells, which helps to destroy them. Dogs are a species that has been heavily impacted by cancer, with some breeds having a higher risk of developing the disease than others. However, there are some dogs that have been observed to survive cancer, either through natural resistance or with the help of modern veterinary medicine. One example of a dog breed that has a lower cancer rate is the golden retriever. This breed has a lower risk of developing certain types of cancer, such as bone cancer and lymphoma, compared to other breeds. Additionally, some dogs have been observed to have a genetic predisposition to fighting cancer, such as the Portuguese water dog, which has a specific gene associated with tumor suppression. In terms of veterinary medicine, dogs have benefited from advancements in cancer treatment, such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy. These treatments have been adapted for use in dogs and have helped to extend the lives of many canine cancer patients. Additionally, dogs have been used as models for human cancer research, as they share many similarities with human cancers. Sea turtles are a species that has been observed to survive cancer in the wild. One study found that green sea turtles, in particular, have a high incidence of fibropapillomatosis, a type of tumor that is caused by a herpesvirus. Despite this, many turtles have been observed to survive the disease and go on to live normal lives. The reason for this may be due to the fact that sea turtles have a unique immune system. They have a high number of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. Additionally, sea turtles have a unique system for repairing DNA damage, which is a crucial mechanism for preventing cancer. Implications for human cancer research. Studying animals that have a natural resistance to cancer can provide valuable insights into the mechanisms that underlie the disease. By understanding how these animals are able to fight off cancer, researchers may be able to develop new treatments and therapies for human cancer patients. Additionally, studying animal models of cancer can help to accelerate the development of new cancer treatments. Many animal species, such as mice and dogs, share similarities with human cancers, making them useful models for studying the disease. Furthermore, studying animals that have a natural resistance to cancer may help to identify new targets for cancer prevention and treatment. For example, the TP53 gene, which is mutated in many human cancers, is duplicated in elephants. This gene may be a potential target for cancer therapy in humans. Conclusion: cancer is a devastating disease that affects millions of people and animals every year. Despite this, there are some animals that have been observed to survive cancer, either through natural resistance or with the help of modern veterinary medicine. Elephants, naked mole rats, Tasmanian devils, dogs, and sea turtles are just a few.